A father of 2 children lost his life due to the sidewall collapse during construction work. His name is Mithun Debarma. Likewise, another laborer was seriously injured during the incident. His name is Samir Debarma. Incident took place in Bidyabil area under Champawar police station on Saturday evening. A young man passed away after being crushed by a wall while doing construction work. Another worker was injured. In the description of the incident, it is known that the construction of sidewall was going on in Bidyabil area. The workers were engaged in that work. Suddenly, during this work, the side wall collapsed on 2 workers. Mithun Debarma died on the spot. The police of Champawar police station rushed to the area after receiving the information. At night, the dead and injured were rescued and brought to Khoi District Hospital. Injured Samir Debarma is currently undergoing treatment at Khoi District Hospital. Meanwhile, it is known that Mithun Debarma has 2 sons and a wife.
পুরানো ঘটনা হয়েছে ভাই বিদ্যাপীঠ রাস্তা
কোন সময় হয়েছে
কয়টার সময় হয়েছে
এই 6টা অবধি
কি এর কাজ করতে আসছো তোমরা
সাইড ওয়ার্ডে ডিজাইনিং ওয়ার্ক করি
সাইড হলে
কয়জন কাজ করতে আসলা
4জন
আপনার নাম কি
আমার নাম স্বামী দেববর্মা
আরেকজন তার নাম কি
মিঠুন দেববর্মা
মিঠুন দেববর্মা
বাড়ি কোথায় তাইনের
ছয়গ্রাম বাড়ি
আপনার বাড়ি
আমার একই
ঠিক আছে
The family members of the deceased and injured worker went to Khoi Hospital immediately after the incident. This sudden death cast a shadow of grief among the other workers and the family. Reported by Biplab from Khoi, Chini, Khorang.